sweet deal. The original Baby's Cheesesteak restaurants in Country Club Hills and Orland Park offer customers free Twinkies today with any purchase. Some quick thinking prompted them to get their hands on a stash of the sponge cakes after they heard that Hostess was going out of business. So we wanted to talk more about this. Andreas De Leon handles the social media and marketing for the restaurants. So today was the big giveaway day. How'd it go?
You know, it was a very, very busy morning. The lines actually went out the door. People were calling in advance, asking questions like, can I reserve?
Are you serious?
Can I sleep outside?
Shut up!
And I was like, no, but you're more than welcome to come in early. But at 10:30, ding, ding, let's go. That game on.
Is it still rolling everywhere?
It's still rolling. I was checking actually the text messages and tweets. I've been keeping up. There's still people in there because we're open pretty late.
All right. Well, so obviously this was a smart idea. Whose idea was it? Where did it come from?
Originally, Hanny Sugayer is the managing and one of the owners of the store. He bought 1,800 cupcakes and, 1,800 Twinkies on his own. Calls me up.
For his own personal self.
He's a bit of a sweet tooth. So he calls me up. He's like, would you like some? I'm like, sure. I head out to the store in Hazel Crest. I look at the entire aisle, and I said, wouldn't it be great if we bought the entire stock and give them away for free? Before I even said the word free, he was pulling them in line, ready to pay for them.
So what were you thinking? I mean, did you have a sense that this would be as hot as it was? Did you really think it would work this way?
We knew eventually it would possibly go viral with it. I mean, that's why we YouTubed the purchase, we uploaded it. We knew we were going to get a response. The response that happened, wow, that just was insane. We did not know we were going to be on all these television getting interviews. No, I was just thinking Twitter buzz, Facebook check-ins, likes, things like that. That's all we really wanted.
And you did. I know you've been on our air. This is your second day on our air. We ran a package yesterday. You're here on this show today. So how did you handle it social media-wise? I know you said you uploaded and things. What's the response been social media-wise?
Social media-wise, it's we're encouraging people to tweet the Twinkie.
Tweet the Twinkie.
Hashtags babies free Twinkies. Orland Park, Country Club Hills. So it would almost became not so much a competition, but it was like they were uploading what they were eating, you know? And so it was food, our standard menu, and on top of that, the Twinkie milkshake.
And there's a Twinkie milkshake. Brilliant. Who came up with that idea?
The Twinkie milkshake was actually born through the Orland Park store. One of the managers was just messing with a shake, decided to blend about a Twinkie and a half in there, and then the top part, you just sink it in there. And sent me a photo. I looked at that photo. I'm like, oh boy, give me 2 minutes. I will graphically edit, spike it up, sent it out, Twitter, Facebook, and then within 24 hours, you guys called.
We certainly did. And how's the Twinkie milkshake doing? Are people ordering it?
Yes, it's actually very popular. It is moving quickly. A lot of people are coming in for that, and then some fries, because the whole dipping thing.
Match.
It works.
All right. Well, I have to ask you, because you're the social media manager, so I'm just going to ask you, I mean, this is one of those things that 5 years ago you wouldn't have been able to do. How much do you think social media helps a business like yours?
With social media, it allows you to, it's a resource that you can broadcast anything, okay? That's how you give birth to the buzz. And with the buzz, you take it, you run with it, you include photos, you updates, and people will come. It could be any product. You can apply what we did to anything.
It was really smart that you guys took advantage, because this is a demand issue too.
Sure.
Everybody knows now you can't just walk into the store and necessarily see your Twinkies. So it's like a win-win all the way around.
We have them all.
Head down to Baby's. Thanks so much, Andreas. Hats off to you, man. Good job.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Well, just in time for the holidays, Starbucks is introducing, get this, a $450 gift card. Every single card is specially etched, and it's not made of plastic, but steel. It comes loaded with $400. The extra $50 is what it costs to make that steel card. Starbucks is only making 5,000 of them, and you can only get it at the luxury goods website, Gilt.com. Another bright marketing tool, and I bet you that one will sell well as well. Thank you for joining us for the talk. That's going to do it for us. Be sure to tune in next time for more of what you're talking about. I know, the steel Twinkie, Andreas. That's what's next.
And the 2,200.
That's right, you have the cupcakes, too.